Number 233, the length of a rectangular field is 260 meters and its width is 50 meters. What is its area? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So this is all about area of a rectangle. So the choices are 310, 620, 5,800, 1,300 square meters, and none of the above. Okay, so the formula for area. So what is its area? Area of a rectangle that is equal to length times width. So we have given, the length of the rectangular field is 260 square meters or 260 meters. So just substitute to L. So we have 260 and then times the width. Given the width is 50 meters. So 50 meters, so just substitute that to W. So 260 times 50. Okay, so just multiply this. So we have 260 times 50. So just copy the two zeros and then distribute the 5. Okay, so 5 times 6, that is equal to 30. And then 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Plus 3, we have 13. So therefore, the answer is 13,000 square meters, and that is not in the choices. So none of the above. Okay? So follow me for more content. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.